It's summertime, and that means it's watermelon and feta season.
I've been obsessed with watermelon and feta recently. Figured why not try to make it a martini. So today we're doing just that. We want to get 2 ounces of watermelon juice. We're gonna add some agave to this to bring up the sweetness. 1/2 ounce of agave. Muddle this. 2 ounces of vodka. You can also use gin or a blanco tequila. 2 ounces of ranch vodka. 1/2 ounce of lime juice. Sprinkle a little bit of salt in there. High quality feta. Feta with the brine right into our cocktail. Mint leaves. Slap them to release all the oil and place that right in the shaker tin. You want to do a little salt rinse, but I'm just going to do it on one of the sides. Dip it in some of that sea salt, and we will double strain this. Oh my gosh, this looks so pretty. It's our garnish: a feta stuffed Kalamata olive, mint, and a watermelon cube. Wow, you have to try this one this summer.